What is up and welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. This morning we went out for breakfast with my parents and my grandparents. I'll insert a clip of our breakfast. It was so good. Alex and I had the same breakfast. Then I took a clip of my sister's breakfast, which was like waffles that looked really good. And then my brother had like this breakfast poutine, which also looked very good. So I got a clip of all of those. And now we're back home. It's 11. I am exhausted from yesterday. I'm so tired. I just want to sleep, but I'm going back to my cousin's house because we are going to do a second coat of paint on her walls. So I'm just gonna go there in about 20 minutes. I think I'm just gonna chill on the couch for the next 20 minutes though. I'm gonna change into my painting clothes. There's no paint on them, so I can literally sit on the couch and not stain the couch. I'm gonna sleep for 20 minutes. So tired. I do not remember the last time I was this freaking tired, but this is brutal. Like, this is brutal. But anyways, I just wanted to start off the vlog and say good morning, and yeah, I'm gonna change and chill, and I might take some coffee. I did drink a coffee at the restaurant, but I might make like a double shot espresso and drink that and see if that helps me with energy. It might not. Maybe I won't make one. I don't know, but we'll see. All right, so we are at my cousin's house and we're painting. So this is the wall that we did yesterday. You can obviously see that it needs a second coat, but we've done half of her room with the second coat and it looks so good. So this is the wall. It looks pretty good. Very proud. I'm very proud of our work. And obviously if she needs a third coat, she can always do it during the week, which is great. At least the most of it will be done and she won't have a lot to do on her own, which is great. I'm just gonna finish doing a second coat on the other walls while she's making lunch, and then hopefully we'll make our way to the mall or Ikea this afternoon. I think that would be a lot of fun. And yeah, we'll see where the day takes us, but like so far I'm very happy and pleased with what the overall result looks like in her bedroom, because we are not painters at all. So we've done really good so far and I'm very proud of us. You guys, we're done with the second coat everywhere in the bedroom. Now we're just gonna let everything dry and see how it looks afterwards, and if she needs to do a third coat, then she will do a third coat. She has enough paint to do so. And now we're gonna decorate Christmas cookies. We made some cookies here the other night. I don't even know if I vlogged that, but we made some cookies, so now we're gonna decorate them and I'll show you guys our finished product, and then we're probably gonna head out and go to Ikea, which is very exciting. I love going to Ikea. We just finished decorating our cookies. Look at how cute they look. We didn't decorate all of them because it's already 3 o'clock and we want to go to Ikea, and Ikea closes at 5 and we're not gone yet and we're not ready to leave. So these are the ones that we made. They're so cute. I love them. This was so much fun. They're so cute. Oh my god. I'm also gonna decorate some with Alex probably later today. Hopefully if we have the time, that would be so much fun. So I'll show you guys the ones that we end up doing, him and I, when we do that later today. But now we're gonna head back to my apartment. I'm gonna change and we're gonna head to Ikea, which is gonna be a lot of fun. Yay, we made it to Ikea. This has been a very productive day so far. I'm proud of us.
A very productive one.
Especially for two girls that are absolutely exhausted.
Yeah. Oh my god, we went to bed so late last night.
Yeah.
We finished painting. It was late.
It was almost 11, I think.
It was a late night.
Crazy. So now we're at Ikea and then I'm going back home afterwards and like putting on pajamas and sitting on my ass for the rest of the night because that's gonna feel so good. But we are gonna go around Ikea, find a few decor pieces for her apartment and have fun. So we just found a big ass mirror, and this is like the classic Ikea mirror that everyone has. We're gonna try to see if it's in stock and try to get her one, or maybe we won't get it today, but we can always come back and get it if they don't have it. But this is definitely the mirror that like you and Bryce need in your apartment. It's beautiful. This is really good lighting. Like imagine getting your makeup done in this lighting, like ooh, this is good. You know what I want to get one day? What? I want to have a mirror in my bathroom that has like all the little lights like around it.
Oh, it's so nice. But like these lights, right? Like the kind of
these kinds of lights, but underneath so that they don't show like on the actual mirror. I think that would look so cute. So this right here is always Alex and I's favorite setup, but they did change a lot of things in it. We haven't been in such a long time, but it's so cool. They have like this table area, dining area with literally doors with pictures of like what outside would look like, the huge big kitchen, and then like the entire freaking living room, which is so freaking cool. So Amy is saying this is her favorite setup because it has everything in a very, very tiny little space.
Like it's so cool. It's got like your bed, it's got like your sofa, like where you can watch TV, it's got a kitchen in the back. I'm like, it's insane. Like there's no way somebody could actually live in such a small space. But like, I literally think it's so cool. Like, oh,
it's impressive, but oh my god, I would never live in a small space like this.
Storage, and then like the kitchen into that. It's so fun. It's so like, I don't know, it's so cute.
It is cute, but would you live in this kind of space?
I know, I could not. I literally would go crazy.
I think so too. I agree, but it is cool what they can do with such little space. All right, so we're done going around looking at all the little cute setups, and now we have a cart and we are ready to grab the stuff that, well, mostly you need, because I'm personally not buying anything today. So yeah, we're ready to shop now. I agree. So we're in the mirror section right now, and I just found this little mirror here. It's $80, which is a pretty good price for the size of the mirror, and like the black border around it is super, super thin, which I love. And then also Amy is debating on whether or not she should get this one, the Hovet mirror, which is the ginormous one that I think a lot of people have. It's a really good price though, so I think you can definitely think about it, and then if you want to get it,
I think I might do it. Just get it, and like it'll be like my mirror, and I can like, if I don't put it to the wall, I can move it to my room.
Oh,
I decide that I
absolutely.
no longer want it in the salon. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna get it.
Yeah, and then you have like a year to return it if you change your mind. You can literally call me next week and we can return it if you change your mind. All right, so I think we're gonna get the mirror, and then we also got a carpet. I don't know if you guys can see right there in the cart. We got a carpet for her apartment. So exciting, she got a carpet before me. All right, we're here to pay. We didn't end up getting the mirror because I kind of figured that it's not gonna fit in my car. So we're not getting the mirror today, unfortunately.
But we did get plants.
We got 2 plants right there, 2 vases, a carpet, and a toilet brush.
Yeah, because we needed one of those.
It's essential. Currently in my bed, and I've got my little baby Bea on me. She decided to come snuggle me. That's so sweet. I was actually editing a vlog and it was exporting, so now the process has been stopped because I am snuggling with my cat. This is like the sweetest thing ever. I love this. Do you guys hear her? She's purring so loud and I love it. She's so sweet. I absolutely love this cat. But anyways, I thought I would come back onto the vlog to end it. It is 10 o'clock, I think. It's not 10 o'clock, I think it's probably like 8. And I'm gonna go to bed, so I just wanted to say good night. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and I will see you guys tomorrow for another day of Vlogmas. There is only 1 week of Vlogmas left. Let's go, we can do it, and I will see you for another day of Vlogmas tomorrow. Bye guys.